Not go out of the way again. Oh, this is the thing that I miss about being
that one was
day I've had today.
content at me Oh, sorry.
You're not sorry.
Yeah, you can do a live stream. You always miss you and the dogs in the day.
I wouldn't believe we are right by the M6.
We are.
Yeah, you can't see my face now.
Because we're on a double lock. Oh. Should we go out some dinner then?
No idea what the bridge is called.
It just looks really hot.
Where are we?
Just outside Road Heath. Gotcha.
See where it's all split in the middle. Wow, we got an awesome echo in here. So today we are out magnet fishing near Road Heath, and never been to this place before, but it's going to be interesting to see if there's anything about. It's a bit of a climb to get there.
There's an AquaDuct.
Yes, it's an AquaDuct. Oh man, you'd have thought by now I'd have learned to hold this properly. Oh look, steps behind me, watching me go on my backside again. All the way up there.
Yeah.
Like I said, there's no name for it because I haven't seen a name yet.
It's not even on the twat nav either. I'm not playing with you. My phone's in my bra.
There you go. Right, let's go walk up. Oh look, these donkeys.
Yeah, you're awesome.
Awesome. To be precise, they're ponies.
Yeah. Munching away.
Hello, troublesome. Hello. Oh, you're not eating my hand. Not eating my hand. And say hello to everybody.
There's a doggy has to sit down there too.
Christ almighty, this is a bit of a trek.
I know. I'm out of breath.
Stay on the steps, you won't fall.
Wow, that's safe.
Hey. Hey. The road comes that way then. Oh look, cornrows. Oh, little duckies.
Little baby duckies.
Little duckies over there on the water.
Aww. Cute.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the road.
Yeah,
Go
wait.
play.
Just come up the steps and there's a road over the canal, that makes sense.
Yeah, because there's no parking on the main road.
Long way down. I'll get to name this bridge. There's no name on this bridge.
No.
What number's that one?
Okay.
138.
It's a very substantial bridge, though, isn't it? Little woodland walk too. It's a bloody big bridge.
Isn't it? Right, so this is where I think we should do.
It's only this shape this side.
And that's what I was thinking, very dull over that end. We're going to have a dip here, or we're going over to the bridge there?
Have a dip here. We're in the shade, aren't we?
I don't know. Oh,
Yeah.
quick hour magnet fishing.
Yep.
Right. Right, so we're having a quick hour here. Oh, great time to do an introduction because there is a
A choo-choo boat.
barge. There's a barge coming, so quick introduction while the barge comes and passes and messes everything up for me. We're going to do this aqueduct here. I don't know what it's called. Can't figure it out now. No name. But it's going to be pretty quick. So don't expect too much of it. You know, too much of it. Big find. Because we've got to do a school run.
In about an hour and a half.
In about an hour. So yeah, we'll get set up and we'll have a quick dip, see what we get.
Clean.
Good feel. Clean. Not even any silt in it. Have to have a feel around, don't you? Got something. Good lord. Bit of square bar. That's been down there a while, that. Square bar.
Sponge pants.
Well, that's not like too disappointing, is it?
If you wanted to come with me, go on.
Nothing like a chin wag and a walk along the canal. Ugh. I knock you out. What's that?
Screwdriver.
A screwdriver.
Battery. I got me a screwdriver and a potential bomb. If, you know, falls into the wrong hands, you know, you put that in your bin, your general waste, that's it. You can say goodbye.
Chuck it over the bridge, it explodes.
The Duracell as well, you don't want to mess with the Duracell. That's it, a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver. Used to be red because there's red paint on it. And a poo bag. Oh.
Lovely. Don't think I'll video the poo bag bird.
It's still shine.
Not the poo bag.
What the screwdriver? What do you want to do? Do you want to move down to the next bridge?
Yes.
Shall we
Let's go this way.
get a move on?
Oh, hang on, is the little boy fishing? I know the little boy's fishing.
Oh.
Boo.
Boo.
Who?
Caught anything, yeah? What?
No. Cold. Hay fever. Gonorrhea.
Didn't want your list of medicals.
Oh, sorry.
I genuinely asked, have you caught anything other than the following?
Nada.
Oh.
Shite.
We'll go back up that end then.
Poo. I don't want to stay in the sun. I'll really dry it.
It'd be really unfair to go disturb the little boy and his dad fishing. Tadpoles, whatever he's doing, he's fishing. It's dad and son time. Don't disturb that. Good God. Be a world of hurt. We could always have a wander that way.
I don't know where it comes out.
Right, so we're not getting much here. The only thing to do is move on. Can't go that way because someone's fishing with their old man. And we can always go that way, see what's up there, see if we come across any more bridges. Should do, shouldn't we? Should find another bridge. Yeah.
I don't know when it comes out though, because I have not been around here. Can always get lost, get found.
Get lost. Let's go and have a look. One way find out, isn't there?
Yeah, I don't.
We should drag your magnet in between.
Just watching him do his man stuff.
I was listening to the conversation he's just having with his son.
Why they magnet fishing?
What is magnet fishing? It's where you have a big magnet on the end of your rope, reel it in, and hope you haven't got a hand grenade on.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then smiled at both me and Clint as he drove past on his little mountain bike. Look, there he is now. See this estate here? There's a bloke over there with a conservatory. I used to clean his house, and he was quite a high up councillor, and he fought for 15 years to get these houses not built because they're all detached and they're all over £1 million to sell.
Come on.
I'm coming, I'm just filling in. It is. And they've all been built specifically.
Line the residents up.
Well, yeah, that as well. But yeah, they're really nice houses. From what you can see online, anyway. We'll catch you when we find the next bridge. Why do you know all the way up there, Harry?
Trekking.
Through the US of A.
Carrying.
See, proof we bring our stuff home. Now, we've given up on the walking because it's too blooming far. So I've got to revert back to my car.
Yeah, so we're going now into Sandbach because we ain't walking that far.
No.
In today's heat. It's got to be 26 degrees.
Yeah, it's 26 on the car camera.
26 degrees.
Yeah.
10 past 1. Strapping for time.
Try and find somewhere to go play.
Not sponsored by BBC Stoke at all. I don't know where it's been here.
Oh no! Really?
Oh, how the pull steering wheel is.
Ugh, bugger. Oh wow. There's the M6 people. Don't miss them days.
There's a lockdown as well.
Yeah, we've got like 4 or 5 locks under there. But yeah, Clint has just noticed that stuff over there. And all here, look.
Pretty cool.
All this here as well.
Yeah, they've been and
At least they cleared it away.
have they though?
Well, they must have done because there's nothing here.
Doesn't matter, I mean, CRT might come out, clear up after and then so you get it in the net.
Low headroom. I'm small, but I'd literally just get under here. Look at that for a lock. That what? On there? It's cool. What?
What is this, take 2?
Yeah. I'm having to bound down. Yeah, look. Remnants of magnet fishes of years beyond. There's my hair touching the roof.
Yeah, got spiders on it.
Oh, piss off, Abba.
Yeah.
Excuse the French. Yes, I used to travel up and down that thing. How long did I do it for? 5.5 years.
How long time is it, you know?
It's a very used lock, this is.
Are you playing?
No.
Why?
Oh, bellyache. And this bridge has been lifted up as well, babe.
Hey?
This bridge has been lifted up.
Get off with it.
Faz?
Is that what I mean? The bridge used to be down here.
Yep.
No. Comes a bit.
Oh, it must have been. That's the original brick, isn't it?
Wow. Talk to me body today.
Where are you going? So he's going to have a look and see if we can... We've never had a canal handle, a gate handle. So I'm guessing he's going to have a play up here. Oh, it's all rope. He's over there, see. See ya.
I just splashed myself.
All the way up there?
Yeah.
Okay. Good trick if you can do it, I suppose. It's beautifully maintained. This little place is. Like a little marina there. Fills up quite quick, doesn't it, really? Wow. Right, go on. Just had to change cameras because Glintoes has died. What's that from? Can't hear because of water. Yeah, could be. Look, snails on it. I can't get this one to come back on.
That's probably red money is mine.
I'm gonna ask if I haven't got a lot of space. So yeah, the lady's filling the canal. So I just...
Loads of rotting barges.
Is that what it says?
That sounds like a point down to it.
That's just space rocks he's throwing back in.
That's no value at all.
No. Sticking to the fence. My God! Have you got something? Like, show me.
Round a bar, looks like a gigantic dog poo.
It's one of them thingy bars, isn't it? Literally a barge pole. It's a bit quieter under here, isn't it? Say again. There might still be more. Hiya, you alright? Hello.
That tunnel?
Yeah, it'll be going under the central reservation in the middle now, won't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, rafters and that.
How weird, how quiet.
Isn't it?
That's shocking. Oh, I'll stand a quick play.
Well, there's this bridge and then there's a little bridge there.
Quick play.
Yeah. So yeah, we're under the M6 now. Yeah. Bits and bobs. Your eyes. It's actually quieter under here than it is on its own. Really nice, isn't it? Oh, wait, go. Oh, what's the back behind you? You're right. It'll be from when they rebuilt this bridge.
It's going to be long.
Oh God. Wait, I think you broke the canal. Hang on, I haven't got it. It's a good 20 feet long.
And the rest.
I'm a woman. You have to put it up on the bridge then.
Anyway. Fascinating watching these birds.
I know, there's loads of swallows. They're nesting, aren't they, in these little cabins?
Under the M6 as well.
Yeah. Well, it's quiet.
It's very therapeutic under here.
Yeah. Considering how busy that motorway actually is, we can't take that home, unfortunately. It's too long. Won't fit in my car. So I have to put it up there. But it's a very busy part of the canal. These swallows are ace. They like dive bomb you. I'm not after your nest. Don't worry. I don't.
I tell you what, you would not believe me unless I could show you the proof.
What?
There's a spanner encased in concrete.
Oh my God.
Wow. Yeah. Only one.
I wonder what the highways would have to say about that.
Hey Jim, you seen that spanner we're using on
No,
it?
mate, don't know where the spanner went. Oh, it's in the cement. Oops, because these are precast. These are off-site.
Whoa, the way someone's dropped a spanner. I dropped a spanner in the works.
Is that where the saying come from? You think?
Well, it does now. Somebody's dropped that all back.
Are we all right?
Yeah, not too bad. Keeping themselves entertained.
Put you in this pile.
I could have that small bit.
Mm-hmm.
Onwards and upwards. Let's walk down there. Not like 5 minutes now. That was 10 minutes ago.
Go back. Old and new. Putting sound monitoring fences in over there. So we're trying this little bridge down here. Because there's lots of barges coming up and down. Oh, this feels muddy.
Does it?
Yeah.
It's hilty. Might have more luck under the bridge, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna have a wander up here. If I can get up here. Going on a wander. Have a look what's on top of the bridge. Oh yeah, you can get on top of the bridge. So it's a pedestrian walkway. Obviously not used as much, but as you can see, I see you too. Oh wow, I bet on this bridge, pedestrian footbridge. Welcome to the M6. Oh yeah, what's that? Oh, give over. Sod off.
Got one. Did it take me 2 years?
I've not really caught anything. And you get your sticky paws on it. Why would you have one over here though?
2 years is taken me.
Taken.
Taken me. I'm excited. I got one, you didn't.
Well, that's just. I'm just gonna have to go and get the other magnet out now. Did you see that? That's it. Go and get my other magnet. My gloves on. I'm not having this. Of all things, doesn't look that old either. An angle. I just don't have any luck in this magnet fishing malarkey anymore. Yeah. Leave you alone for 5 minutes. I haven't touched the camera in ages, and then the first time I take the camera over, that's it.
Go do a bit of scenery. It's in the bucket.
It doesn't look that old either.
No, it doesn't.
Is that what you...
My woman laughed at me when she come past.
It's not on. Not impressed. Where did you have that from then?
Right where I am now. It's quite bumpy.
Is it?
Yeah, there.
Why would you have a
They've
wind
dropped it coming off the tow path, haven't they? When they've opened the barge and that. No.
Oh dear.
So, Clinto. Why? You don't want to be my friend now? I'll fly up my nose and it won't come out. It's a lovely silhouette of you doing that. I got an handle. My first one. That got me and the camera wet. Yeah.
Very sorry.
You were lying, git. See how the abuse I take? My face is soaking and so are my glasses. Look! Where my glasses wet?
No idea what happened.
You
It's
git.
raining.
No, it's definitely not raining.
redonkulous.
What?
Done with. Going over.
That's sulking now, babe. Well, it's a nice bridge though, isn't it?
It's a bag of bolts.
We better make a move, I need a wee wee.
I can't even think what was my best find today. Rebar.
Rebar.
What can you do with that?
Bend it. Bend it, shake it, anywhere you want it.
I've been moved on more times than I've actually found stuff.
Well, it's a busy part of Canal, it's Cheshire. It's where posh people live. Not including us. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
£20 they are, you know.
I know, I'm keeping it. That's we started with
I
Canal
don't
barge.
know those locks now, just wind everybody up.
You can't, it's against the law.
Watch me. And we'll wind people up. Just want to throw a spanner in the works.
That spanner's well cool.
Makes you wonder where this gets us.
I've no idea whatsoever.
Better make a move then. Better do your
Wiggle, wiggle,
do
wiggle.
what you do. Get a move on.
I'm not smiling, honestly.
Oh,
He can't get his Johnnies off. He did that the other week and whacked himself in the face.
do you know what you are?
Emperor. That's all I
Size
see.
is A, B, C, K, L.
So I for Clinton then.
Oh, I've got to put all this back there. Oh, good lord.
Yeah, put the ropes in the back. Pass that juice. Don't leave me handle there.
Leave it there. I need to get my stuff out.
Picking on me because I won.
I've worked my lesson. Bringing me here.
I'm just putting my pop in my bra because it's the only safest place for it. Because I've got no pockets. What?
Now they're inside out.
Now the inside out and
Why
they,
don't take them off, man?
and they need to be drying. I've broke my nail. Need new nails. Can you buy me some?
We're going past Wicks, don't we?
Look, it's that one that's that one that's broke.
The day I've had today. Not the right way, that's the wrong way. Right way?
That's the right way.
I don't know.
Right, so
Thanks so much.
my handle.
What?
Pick my handle up. Pick it up.
Oh, yeah,
Pick it up. He knocks him out in a minute.
oh, I didn't realise. I thought that was a piece of rubbish.
Content's got the arm. So, not very exciting for Clinto today, because I win.
Oh, who care bears?
He pissed.
It's all a bit of fun.
I know.
There's no need to take it so seriously.
He says. Ronnie's done me out the pram. So yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and put the bell on, because we're trying to get 500 subs by the end of the year.
Yeah.
Don't know if we'll do it, but maybe we'll, maybe won't.
Everybody likes your blue hair, so if you show your blue hair.
Yes,
don't
this is my blue hair.
Hey, we could do a live stream.
Of me dyeing my hair.
Or whatever colour people would like you to dye it.
It is there, but it's very messy. I don't really do a lot in with it, because I'm always working with the dogs in the day. God, that does look a mess. So yes, this has been us, Magnetise UK, and I'm Mrs. Dog Walking.
But we're going to have to get a hurry on now, because we've got stuff to pick up on the way back to the car and get back to
Can you help
the
me that?
school
I'll
run.
put my hair back up. It is quite long, it's just really messy, and I just chuck it up in a bun in the morning.
Wouldn't believe we are right by the M6.
We are, yeah.
Literally
I know.
8 lanes of carriageway. But yeah,
I've got to do the hair.
Got to do her hair. That's a woman's prerogative. Look at my hair, it's a mess. So yeah, back here by the bridge now, so my hands are going to be full, so yeah, you can't see my face now. Oh, there we go. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video. Until next time, see you later.